On this new short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram CSRF token missing. All what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then open the apps and wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. After that, you have to scroll like this until you find the Instagram app and then click on it. Now this page you will find the app informations. Click on the force stop to stop running the app, and then click on the power usage details. Make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache right here, go back again, click on notifications, scroll down, click on more settings. It will take you directly to the Instagram. Choose pause all, enable it, and choose 15 minutes. And last thing you wanna do is restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and the problem must fix it. If the problem is not fixed yet, then you have to update your Instagram on the Play Store or the App Store by searching for it and click on this option. Don't forget to like, subscribe.